What's up everyone? Hope you guys are doing great. My name is John from VPNpro. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at one of the best all-around tools for online privacy and security, NordVPN. NordVPN needs no introduction. With such a great reputation behind it, it's almost always landed the #1 spot in almost all VPN reviews out there. But of course, the internet is ever-changing. Threats to online privacy are increasing and clampdowns on proxy users by streaming services are on fire. So the question is, can NordVPN keep up with all that while living up to its promises? But before we dive deep down, make sure to check out our review of NordVPN at our website, VPNpro.com. If you want more in-depth and technical information about NordVPN, make sure to check it out as well. I'll include the link down in the description. All right, now let's get started. We don't want to sound too biased here, but honestly, NordVPN has a host of key features that we like and undoubtedly make it one of the best VPNs on the market today. It's got watertight security, flawless privacy practices, very fast speeds, a great server list, custom apps for various platforms, amazing live chat support, reliable Netflix unblocking capabilities, a great price, and it works great in China and other restricted countries. Our pros list is actually longer than that, and I'm going to show you later why. The only downside we can see so far is that they don't have a router app available, and that's basically it. Now that we've laid down the top things that we like and don't like about NordVPN, let's move on to its privacy and security features. Security and privacy are NordVPN's main selling points, and that's what's great about NordVPN is that they actually back it up with top-notch, reliable, and effective privacy and security features. These include a military-grade encryption, secure tunneling protocols, a kill switch for both the internet and the app, no IP or DNS leaks, and a privacy-friendly location in Panama. This is pretty important because VPN service providers operate according to the laws of the country they're based in, and Panama doesn't have laws that require VPN companies to collect data. This also allows NordVPN to have a real no-logging policy. Aside from these hosts of awesome privacy and security features, NordVPN is very clear about their commitment to not keeping any logs on their users. And to prove it, they ordered an independent audit which was done by the world-renowned accounting firm PricewaterhouseCoopers. And the good news is that they didn't find any discrepancies between NordVPN's no-logs policy and what they do in practice. That's a big thumbs up for us. Another great thing to note about NordVPN is that they have anonymous purchase options. Cryptocurrencies are accepted. Now, I'm pretty sure your next question is if NordVPN can unblock Netflix and other streaming services. And the answer is a big, resounding yes. NordVPN is actually one of our top recommended VPN if your primary concern is streaming. It works amazing with Netflix and can unblock libraries from the US, Japan, the UK, Germany, and Netherlands. Aside from Netflix, NordVPN can also help you stream content from HBO, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and Disney+. It also works with Kodi, but a little setup is needed. Now, if you're more into torrenting, NordVPN also supports it. They have a lot of dedicated and optimized servers for torrenting. And what's great about it is that they have great encryption, no bandwidth limit, and the speeds are good. Now, when it comes to speed, NordVPN is one of the fastest. One thing to note is that the farther the server is to my location, the bigger the drop-off for my base speed. But looking at the results, my speeds are enough for streaming HD content without any buffering issues. NordVPN provides the following subscription options or plans, and for a top-tier product, we can definitely say that NordVPN is very cheap. Now, it may not be the lowest price in the market, but you really get all the value that you paid for. NordVPN also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, and mind you, they don't have any fine print for you to take note of. The only thing to be aware of is that you can't get a refund if you paid in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. So, should you get NordVPN? Absolutely, it's definitely one of the best VPNs on the market right now. With faultless privacy and security features, amazing capability to unblock Netflix and other streaming services, and servers optimized for torrenting, NordVPN is a top choice for anyone shopping for a VPN. I hope this video helped you decide if NordVPN is the VPN for you. And again, if you want a more in-depth look at NordVPN and all of its features, make sure to click the full review linked in the description below. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it and subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching.